Lads are making a bit of a meal of this gate here. That's fun digging through this concrete. Don't you like Ivies?
Yeah, but I'm promoting still.
Well, good morning, YouTube. A fine morning it is, absolutely glorious. In fact, it's probably going to be too hot, but we're not going to grumble about that right now. Just over at Bristol, and basically the fencing on this wall, these railings are to come down. It's meant to be here in front of us taking that down, so they better get a shift on. Then we've got a little sliding automated gate going here. They're going to have to make this ground. We've got a single gate to go there, and then we've got like a little timber bin store going here. And they need to be getting this fence down. Sharpish. They've already run the lines under there to there, what we need. And then he's got to externally run them down here to school, I think. But Matt only lives local actually, literally lives round the corner. All the lads should be here soon. I think we were just went to shop on the way. Yeah, the problem is lines here. When we come to, when me and Carl come, we only had laser level out and traffic warden woman come down. Luckily she let us off and we quickly put it in there, but it's going to be tight today. We've got these two vans coming, they'll have a van. Yeah, it's going to be a nightmare. I'm going to have to open that up a bit to get in, I think. See how it looks like later. Couple of walls back down now. Get them done. We've already cut these here. Just done cuts are there for now. Then we've got to mark these here. And do them up there. 4, 5, 6, 7 there. 8 and 9. We can only do it there for now. And then we've just got the rest of them to do.
Yeah, it's going alright. It's getting off to bite on it.
Good morning. It's back at this little school in Bristol today. Yeah, he's had an early start, look. Getting these things in, but the builders have got to get all these out and all. Their boss came and we're just going to flush them off, but he's insisting they've got to get them all out. They made a start down here yesterday, but I definitely won't fancy this job, poor buggers. Look, they've got to core them all out. Once they've started, sod that. We've just got to tarmac our things, get his panels on, but it's going to make a right mess them coring that. That's getting his piping round so he can get his wires. Gate's getting delivered today, sliding gate. We've got to get this tarmac back, and we've got to obviously get his mesh on, and then we've got a bit of a bin store to do here. But yeah, I forgot to get a video when I left last night, and I've got a delivery coming with 3 massive jobs. I haven't got enough room in the yard, but there you go. So I'll get videos as we go along. Plenty of action going on round here. Getting the panels cut to size. These guys are putting this tarmac back on there, so it's sliding. Ben's doing his tarmacking. And they're fixing them on here, look. We've already got the first one on there. Isn't bad. Slightly on that way, and we'll step it up here. It's trickier here, but gate come early. We've already got it lifted in already, look. We haven't bolted it down yet though, but we will do. Just going to open it up. Make sure it opens and closes correct before we totally position it. Yeah. So I just got back to Batley after that unload. Lads are making a bit of a meal of this gate here. That's fun digging through this concrete. The ground workers have done. Filled it all with concrete for some reason. Don't you like Ivies?
Yeah, but I'm promoting still.
But anyway, we've got a gate in there. Don't fencing's done. Looking well. Just got these few to do. Then we've got timber store there. Good morning, Thursday already. Nice early start for us again. We've been starting at 6 all this week. Load of timber on there as we've just loaded this up. Just finished the job in Bristol, and then we've got our other job under there to do. So we're busy. With our in Bristol might not be far off, and then me and Carl might be able to leave and go start this other job in Bradford, Hostlers. What's happened on weather here? But I
think I've got my son out today and sun cream on.
We just had lightning. Up when we set off from the yard, some would try to get out, but we're nearly done here. It's got gates to hang, baggage trailing this fence in a minute. We're just going to get this receiver on here for automated gate. Matt's doing his electric up there. Control that. Get this in, this clad, the piece in here, we'll be off. Yeah, I'm not sure whether it's 28 degrees is meant to be, but it's absolutely belting it down. So I'll just have to run for cover. Sunshine again, we're nearly done now. Just putting his final pieces on, baggage finishing timber. Gotta get his drop bolts on. All that bit's buttoned up, we've just got a piece to put in there which we're going to have to leave out. These lads have got a cement on top of the wall. But yeah, we are getting there. But probably won't see gate actually automated working because Matt's still here finishing. Here doing his wiring. It's all sort of wired, he's just got to obviously wire them up and commission them yet, that's all. And it's getting tarmac tomorrow, so yeah, pretty good. So yeah, just before we start, we're at his next job, Hostlers at Bradford. We're putting 1.2 high panels, which are there. Which Carl's carrying on now, look. They're going on there. We've made some like little extension pieces similar to that. But we've got to take that one off actually, it's welded, so we'll have to cut that one off. But we'll start there for now and then come back to that later. Other lads aren't here yet and they've got alt drills and that on their van. Well, I've got a drill, but we'll load a few out and then we shall start. So a little update, I've nearly got all post drilled on, but then we went to put a panel on, we've got one on and then realised we've got round clips with us, we need bigger clips. We're up to here now, we've got all them on. And we just got to get them onto there, but there's something on fire here. Fire engine just turned up. I think it was some kids that went up a bit ago shouting and carry on. I've been beavering away in office, doing my admin, glamorous stuff, paying God knows how many people. But yeah, Carl's just rung me actually, lads have nearly got that job done at Hostlers. Quoted for some extras at the job at Bristol because we got a phone call last night, they've realised the bin store they had us do to their specs ain't big enough, so we'll have to dig some front bit out and extend that so they can get 4 bins in. We did say at the time it didn't seem big enough, but you only got what you get told, don't you? I'm just looking what we need for next week. It's 2 metre I believe it is. I think that's the 2 metre there. which will do for them. And then I've got a delivery post coming, which should have come with all this lot the other day, but for some reason they didn't give me them. So they're supposed to be at 10 o'clock. So I'll get off for now and I'll just get stuff moved about before the lads come back and bring vans in, and then we'll be able to move. So yeah, I'll update you a bit later.
That's us all done now here at Osler's in Bradford. I'm sure Max explained probably. We've done 1.2 metre extensions on top of all this fence line here. Basically we had a load of tabs laser cut, Bradford laser. Basically 2 holes in each. Drill and bolt. Nice and easy. The hardest bit's wobbling about up ladder to get the panel on around there at that height, 'cause that's a 2.4 metre fence, but customer's happy, should keep him from climbing. Now it's the weekend.
Other lads, Carl and Baggy soon dumped the van and went, put it out there. Ben and Jacob just got back now with these front galvanisers. Said it was a nightmare waiting in there now. She had an accident a few weeks ago, so they don't even let you get out of van or out now, but them gates are actually for that. In fact, he's just chased me by mate with them. And I'm just waiting on the delivery, which should be here any minute. He said about an hour ago, so I'm hoping it'll be here, but I think I'll call it here anyway, because we're going to pack up early today. We had one of those weeks where we've worked 12 hours and stuff like that, so if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.